Okay, here, excuse me, here are the answers that I got for the monitoring progress problems. You can pause the video and compare them with what you got. But there's another way here that we can go through and multiply a binomial with a trinomial. A binomial, remember, is 2 terms, and a trinomial is 3 terms. So here we have an example. X plus 5 is a binomial, and x squared minus 3x plus minus 2 is a trinomial, has 3 terms. And so one way that we can do this is to take x squared minus 3x minus 2, and we use the stack method, and then x plus 5. Again, I'm going to use the asterisk to show how one multiplies the other. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, and 5 times negative 3x is negative 15x, and then 5 times x squared is 5x squared. And then we take x times negative 2, x times negative 2 would be negative 2x, and I'm going to place it here along with its like term. X times negative 3x is negative 3x squared, because x times x is x squared. And then negative x times x squared, I'm sorry, not negative, but x times x squared would be x cubed. And then all of these are lined up with their like terms. Minus 10 does not have one, so we just bring it down as negative 10. Negative 15x and minus 2x is negative 17x. And 5x squared minus 3x squared would be plus 2x squared. And then we have x cubed. And that would be our final answer. Now there's another way that you could set that up. You could use the box method. And in the box method we would have 3 partitions for the trinomial and then just 2 partitions for the binomial, and so we would write x squared minus 3x minus 2 and then x plus 5. And then we go through and multiply it like times tables. X times x squared would be x cubed. X squared times 5 would be 5x squared. X times negative 3x would be minus 3x squared. Plus 5 times negative 3x would be negative 15x. X times negative 2 would be negative 2x. And then 5 times negative 2 would be negative 10. And then we bring all of those terms out, combining those that are like terms. And it's just like over here. Here we've got x cubed. Here we have x cubed. Here we have 5x squared. Here we have 5x squared. Over here we have negative 3x. Here we have negative 3x squared. We have it here as well. Negative 15x, negative 15x, negative 2x, negative 2x, and negative 10, negative 10. So all of the factors the products are still there. We just need to then add them, combining any that are like terms, and so we would get the same answer. All right, solving real life problems here. In a hockey, a goalie behind the goal line can only play a puck in the trapezoidal region. Write a polynomial that represents the area of the trapezoidal region with the dimensions given. And then find the area of the trapezoidal region when the shorter base is 18 feet. So this first part, A, we're going to take 1/2 times the height, and the height is this space right here. It's x minus 7. And that's the height. And then B1 plus B2 is the sum of the 2 bases. They're the ones that are parallel to each other. And so we're going to put those inside brackets. The top one is x, and so it's x plus the bottom one, which is x plus 10. And so that's plus x plus 10. And then we have that formula. So now we just have to multiply everything out. We simplify here, we get 1/2 x minus 7. And I'm going to put all of these together. X plus x is 2x plus 10. So we just added those two expressions. X plus 10 gave us 2x plus 10. And now we multiply these out. I'm going to use the FOIL method with my little arrows. So got x times 2x is, 2x squared, and then x times plus 10 would be plus 10x. Those are the outer terms. The inner terms, negative 7 times 2x would be negative 14x. And then negative 7 times 10 would be negative 70. And then the 1/2 on the outside is still there. So then I'm going to combine like terms. I get 2x squared. 10x minus 14x would be minus 4x. And then minus 70. And then I'm going to multiply 1/2 times each of the terms that I have inside here. Half of 2 is 1, so that's just x squared. Half of negative 4 would be negative 2x. And then half of negative 70 would be negative 35. And that expression is the area, according to our formula that we have up here, but in terms of a polynomial. And so now we want to find the value of that area when x squared minus 2x minus 35 when x equals 18. And to do that, we just plug in 18 into every place where there is an x. And so I put in 18 squared minus 2 times 18 and then minus 35. And so 18 squared would be 324 minus 36, which is 2 times 18, and then minus 35. And when we work through that all, we get 253. So then we can answer the area is 253 square feet. And that would be our final answer in this case. Again, go through and try the monitoring progress problems on your own. And good luck on your homework.